Sorkar TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabari kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines but kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges batru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kakenhun Menteri Jangka Sorkar Jylla hakash potrik naitung arajar arpusan klub minjur ban Pynduh no yaki jimpelong yaki interview na Bynta gi post haka group D. Haka jinga keran bagi lar pathai khubor uno aiktin Jangka Sorkar Jylla ba polling do ubolong ru Menteri ka Sorkar Jylla ulia thu ba jing shimra Jangka Sorkar kalong banwanra yaki jing khu jing suba haka thongkam thongjam dag ba bod ikendon Jangka Sorkar pedeng bela pinmi daga Department of Personnel and Training ka Ministry of Personnel Public Grievances and Pension.
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Sangma, and today we took up a number of very important decisions which will have a long-lasting positive impact on the state and its people. I'm joined by our Commissioner and Secretary Home who will assist me in briefing on 3 items concerning Home Police Department. But we will begin by announcing to you that the Cabinet today took up the matter of discontinuation of interview for Group D posts across the state. This proposed discontinuation of interview for Group D posts is in conformity with our well-established policy of ensuring maximum transparency in the recruitment process to various posts, beginning with Group D posts. This is also as part of our compliance to instructions of the Government of India in the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India. So, in line with this decision, all appointments for Group D posts will be done without recourse to the process of interview. This will take effect from the 1st of October 2025, meaning it will have a prospective effect, meaning that all such interviews that are scheduled from the 1st of October this year will be minus the need for the candidates to sit for personal interviews. This will also help to speed up our process of appointment and recruitment to various posts and ensure, as I mentioned, transparency and efficiency of the system. On matters relating to rules which have to be adopted by the state government, I would call on Cyril to brief you on items 3, 4 and 5. Right? Yes.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la kabared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka Bynta ka koi ka khya chong gi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jing shania naki pidon kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba ba phinyo e ka license pila ban apply ka online link ba ka website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap pan upload ru yaki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi Pilaru banyak kendo, iki designated officers lani food safety officers, kebadan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district kebadan Hamigalaya, latno tang is kasihers. Pila benlet bed, siya ka office terekam Jongki, ka Commissionerate of Food Safety kebadan Halowa Lachumya. Nakabinta ka kwat kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rasha P, daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakrishnan, daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.